Hi everyone, it's Josh here from FXhome, and as you know, we normally make products like HitFilm and Emerge for video editing and image work, but today we're launching our first ever iOS app. It's called CamTrackAR, and as the name suggests, it tracks your camera. Apple have this amazing technology called ARKit, which is used for augmented reality to track your scene, and we're using that. So when you record your video, we're also recording data about the scene, like the 3D position of your camera, and maybe even waypoints you lay around the scene, so that when you come to composite your 3D elements, your stock footage, they just work in 3 dimensions perfectly first time. So in HitFilm Pro, you have a camera solver, and this is fantastic technology, but this is done after the fact. So if you go out there and record something, and it's very shaky, very motion blur, you can have a real hard time actually tracking and solving the camera after the fact. Being able to do it on set while you're there, you can really see the results. You can see when it's not working properly, and you can then just give more information to the AR so that it can actually get that really solid track. So the benefit to filmmakers is huge. You can just actually start filming whatever you want and then just sticking in elements knowing that they're going to work. As soon as you've finished recording, everything will be saved to your files on your iOS device, and this will include a HitFilm composite shot, a Blender Python script, and if you've got the full version, then you'll also get a JSX, which is a script for After Effects. Once you send all these files across to your computer, you can open the HitFilm composite shot in either version of HitFilm, Express or Pro, and what you'll find is the camera tracked relative to a floor plane and anchor points that you've set out in the scene. You can then just import your footage and drag it into that composite shot, and you'll see that everything is tallied up and your camera is perfectly tracked to the footage. For Blender users, it's a little bit more complicated the first time that you do it. You need to actually go into the Blender preferences and install the AR app importer, which is a Python script we've created. Then you simply go to File, Import, and then select HitFilm AR tracking data, and you can import your HitFilm composite shot directly into Blender. If you own the subscription or buyout version of CamTrackAR, we'll have also saved an After Effects script in the form of a JSX file. To open this, just go to the File menu, then to Run Script, and open and select the JSX file. What this will do is create a new composite shot where it'll import any of your null objects and also your tracked camera. It's completely free to download the app and give it a go. In fact, if you're a HitFilm user, and you know how we love the HitFilm users, or a Blender user, and we love them too, most of the features of the app are completely free anyway, so you can just go and get it, do some tracking, and export to those. If you're an After Effects user, or if you want some of the more professional features, then there is a subscription option or just a buyout option. If you go for the buyout option, you're going to get all the future updates we do anyway. It works on most modern iOS devices. I mean, if you've got a 6S onwards, it's going to work, but the more recent they are, the better ARKit works. So just head over to the App Store, grab a copy, and do subscribe to this channel. We're going to give you instructions on how best to use it and all the different things you can do with it. And we'll see you next time.